Good morning. My name is Garishankar. So, the insight that I had chosen, my part, is the trust in data use, and I found that interesting because of trust, we are able to do a lot of things. So, trust can be as simple as in a relationship to the point where it can go up to companies collaborating with other companies. And so, with this, I researched some problems and the insight I had chosen, right? So, relating to this insight, the problem that I had researched was regarding the incident of civilians losing trust in the UK government due to the growth of using artificial intelligence in companies and factories. It's because it increased the harm around the place and allows more of a chance for systematic corruptions, which may cause harm to the workplace environment. And when this happens, the civilians that work in the workplace or work in the factory or company will then spread the word to others, telling them that they should not trust artificial intelligence and that it is not the right thing to do. And so with that, then the government will be hatred. Then hatred will go towards the government, and that's why, because the government is who allows the companies to use the artificial intelligence. And so, with this research, the question that I had come up with was, how might we gain the trust in our or the government while they allow the growth on the use of artificial intelligence? And my answer to that was that our trust and support should increase in our governments, and we should make sure that the companies and factories hire trustworthy employees for the certain tasks that they will be assigned regarding AI, which is also artificial intelligence. And how will this solve the problem? So, regarding this problem, artificial intelligence is what we're focusing on, right? And so, artificial intelligence can harm in many ways. Number one, it can cause systematic errors, which can cause explosions or corruptions, which can then cause fires and harm the employees. Number two, hackers may get a hold of the data or some sort of or they may be able to spread a virus into the machine, allowing it to corrupt again. And then number three is that due to the hackers coming in, the machine may go out of order. And while the machine goes out of order, then the business will go down and go lower. And so, my insight of choosing the trust and data use was mainly because while decades pass by, the trust will increase as well because the bond between machines and ourselves and machines within machines will increase day by day, month by month, and year by year. If you want me to simply state it, it's like a relationship. The longer, the better. The longer, the more trustworthy. The longer the relationship, that's when you know it's a stronger relationship, and that's how we trust here too. The longer the bonding we have between machinery and ourselves, the more trust we get within the machinery. And then that's the same thing with artificial intelligence. The more we use it and the longer we use it, the better it is for ourselves and the better it is for the environment. And that's why, because we get to know about the harms it can do, and we get to know about the mistakes, we get to know about the corrections we will have to do, and we also get to know about how this improves our environment and how this affects our companies or factories in a positive way, in a negative way, and what else we can do to develop the procedure, what else we can do to develop the process, and so on. And so, all I would like to say was my question was, how might we gain the trust in the government while they allow the growth on the use of artificial intelligence? My simple answer is we that we trust and support, and that should increase in our governments, and that we should make sure that companies and factories hire trustworthy employees to do certain tasks regarding AI, which is also artificial intelligence. Thank you.